Hello developers, in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to convert RGB image to grayscale in Python. As you can see that I have already published an article about this topic on my blog codingtixture.com. I have also given this article link on the video description. Actually you can convert RGB image to grayscale in Python using 4 methods. Those are the first one is image.convert method using the pillow library, and the second one is color.rgb to gray method using the SCI kit hyphen image module, and the third one is cv2.imread method using the OpenCV library, and the fourth one is using the matploit library. Okay, let's see how to do it. I am going to open Visual Studio Code for code editing. Now I am going to open the project folder which I have already created for Python project. As you can see that there are no files inside this folder. The only one image is there, test.jpg. As you can see, this is the image we are going to convert. Okay. Now let me create a new file. Now I am going to install the pillow library. For that you have to use this command pip space install space pillow. Open the new terminal and paste the command and hit enter. It will download and install the pillow library. It is showing requirement already satisfied. It means I have already installed the library, so it is showing that. If you have not, then it will download the library using some URLs. So you need an active internet connection. Okay. Now let me copy and paste the Python code. Sorry, I pasted it in terminal. I saved the file as app.py. Now let me run this project. As you can see that we imported PIL from image. Then we are getting the image using image.open. After that we are converting the image using the img.convert function. Finally we are saving the output as the name test_gray.jpg using the .save function. Okay, let me run this code, python space app.py. When I hit enter, as you can see that test_gray is all automatically created. When I open that, you can see that it is in gray color, test.jpg in the natural color. Okay. Now let me show you how to convert RGB to grayscale using the color.rgb to gray method of the SkyKit image module. For that you need to install the module. To do that, use this command pip space install space SCI kit hyphen image and hit enter. As you can see that it is downloading. It means I have not already installed the library. So it is downloading. It is showing some errors, I think, but that's not a problem. Let me copy and paste the code. I replaced the code. Let me reload the window. It is showing the import sky image could not be resolved. So the library is not installed successfully. I don't know what is the error. Let me check it. SkyKit image installation. We need to use this command pip. We are using the correct command only, but I don't know why it is showing error. Let me install again. It is showing it is installing the collected packages. Please wait. As you can see that it is installed successfully, so don't worry, I will replace the command on the article. let me reload the window. As you can see that the errors are gone. Okay, let me run this project again. Now we are going to CV2. We need to install the CV2 library too. I think we need to use this command pip space install space open CV. It is downloading. Done, it is downloaded. The error is gone. Okay, now let me run this project using this command python space app.py. When I hit enter, it is showing the gray image in the new window, grayscale image in the new window, as you can see that. So the second method is also working perfectly. Okay, now let me show you how to convert the image to the grayscale in Python using the third method, cv2.imread method. For that we have already installed the library, so just I am copying the command and I am replacing the code here. Open the terminal, python space app.py. Now I am going to run this. It is also showing perfectly, so the third method also working fine. Finally, we are going to use the matploit library. To install that, we need to use this pip command. It is installing. Now I am going to copy and paste the code. It is installed successfully. Let me reload the window. That's it. Now I am going to run this project using the python space app.py command. When I hit enter, it is showing the output in the new window. You can see that. You can zoom, you can go to home, you can save the image using the save button. You can do anything you want. That's it guys. I hope this video tutorial helps you to convert RGB image to grayscale in Python. If you have any doubts about this video tutorial, then please leave a comment. I will help you. If you want to receive more videos about Python, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.